Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another one. I'm gonna show you today what to do with leftover chicken. If you have leftover chicken and you don't want to throw it or don't know what to do with it, I'm gonna show you today. All you need is some chicken, some cheese, tomato sauce, and some macaroni shells. Let's get started. Alright, before anything, I'm gonna make sure my chicken is chopped up. It's nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and add some oil to my pan. I'm going to add my shells. I'm going to season my shells with some pepper, salt, and some onion powder. I'm going to let the shells cook until they're light brown in color. As you can see here, the shells are nice and toasted. You don't want to brown them too much because they will burn. This is perfect. Alright, I got my chicken. Now I'm about to put my chicken inside the shells. I forgot to mention that this chicken was grilled yesterday, so it is cooked. Do not put raw chicken inside your shells because it will not come out good. I'm going to add my chicken into my shells. My hands are washed. I have 2 cans of tomato sauce. I'm going to add them in. Now I'm going to add some water. I added 7 cups of water in here. If you need to add more water, you can. I'm going to let this cook about 10 to 15 minutes until my shells are soft. I forgot to mention, if it looks like your water is evaporating, that means that you did not add enough water, so you can add some more water. Just don't make it too watery. You want to add water a little bit above the pasta level, the shell level, but not so much water or not to where it's going to dry up on you. Okay, so at the time that you're waiting for your shells to get soft, you can taste it. Taste the juice, not the shells because they're probably still hard. To make sure if more seasoning is needed. I think I just need a little bit more salt in mine. You guys, my shells are coming to a boil. Make sure you try one to make sure they're nice and soft. And mine are not done, but you can see the water is evaporating, so I'm going to go ahead and add another cup of water. Alright, you guys, so you can add some cheese now or wait till later. I'm going to add some right now. Now it's time to serve. Serve. Now what I'm going to do is put some more cheese. And I'm going to pair that up today with some french fries. Easy meal. Real quick, real easy. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.